The ketogenic diet focuses on high-fat, moderate protein, and low-carbohydrate foods, which naturally excludes traditional bread due to its high carb content. Traditional breads, made from wheat or other grains, can disrupt the state of ketosis, essential for the diet's effectiveness. Keto bread offers a delicious alternative, using ingredients such as almond flour or coconut flour, which significantly lower the carb count while maintaining a bread-like texture. Keto bread allows adherents to enjoy bread-like meals without breaking their diet's strict carb limits, supporting both weight loss and metabolic health. Keto bread recipes primarily utilize almond flour, coconut flour, and psyllium husk instead of traditional wheat flours to drastically reduce carbohydrate content and support a ketogenic lifestyle. Almond flour and coconut flour are favored for their low carb and high fiber qualities, complementing the fat intake required for ketosis. Psyllium husk, a key ingredient in achieving the desired bread-like texture, adds volume and also aids in digestion. Selecting these ingredients carefully is crucial for maintaining the nutritional integrity of the bread, ensuring it remains conducive to the keto diet while providing satisfaction and variety. Creating keto bread requires precision to achieve the perfect texture and flavor typical of traditional bread. This step-by-step guide introduces a simple and effective recipe using key keto-friendly ingredients. Each step is carefully outlined to make following the process seamless, from mixing the right proportions of almond flour and psyllium husk to the precise baking time. Emphasizing practical tips such as properly hydrating psyllium husk and ensuring even mixing of ingredients, the video helps ensure that even novice bakers can achieve airy, flavorful bread that complements a ketogenic diet perfectly. Keto bread offers significant nutritional advantages over regular bread, making it an excellent choice for those on a ketogenic diet. Unlike traditional bread, which is high in carbohydrates and can disrupt ketosis, keto bread is crafted with ingredients like almond flour and coconut flour, significantly reducing carb content while providing essential fiber and fats. This composition aligns perfectly with the ketogenic diet's macros, helping maintain ketosis, support weight management, and regulate blood sugar levels. By choosing keto bread, individuals can enjoy the comfort of bread without compromising their health goals. Enhancing the basic keto bread recipe can transform it from simple to spectacular. By incorporating seeds like sunflower or pumpkin, or spices such as cinnamon and nutmeg, you can elevate the flavor profile and nutritional value. Creative additions not only make the bread tastier but also more visually appealing. Additionally, proper storage is crucial for maintaining freshness. Keto bread should be stored in an airtight container to retain its texture and can also be frozen for long-term use. Versatility in meals is another advantage, as keto bread can be used for sandwiches, toast, or even as a base for other dishes.